my standards. I can never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety.
Red eye back to LA. We gon' get this money either way. Please don't hit my number, you ain't saved. Now this song make you feel away. Trippin' to the 6 and I'm hanging with a 10, yeah. No, you can't attend, we ain't even friends now. I just hit the city juice, so we celebrated. Finally paid off hard work, dedication. I'm not one for the taking. It is what it is, I'm just saying. No more advice, I gotta get this flight, catch up.
Red eye back to Atlanta. Shawty wanna lower my standards. I can never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety.
I don't want the keys to your heart. Acting like I kept you in the dark. You knew where this was going right off from the start. Now you never wanna be apart. You stress me out. The type of energy I don't need around me. Cop the red eye and I'm dipping. How about you take what you've been dishing out? Yeah, I'm not one for the taking. It is what it is, I'm just saying. No more invites, I gotta get this flight, catch a
red eye back to Atlanta. Shawty wanna lower my standards. I can never mess with a random. Tryna take my mind, any phantom. Baby, back up where your manners. She wanna take my heart for the ransom, but you can still tell me that I'm handsome. My mind been fatiguing lately. You're a risk for my mental safety.
Let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right up. Let me get you in focus. Yeah, yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus. From LA, but live in Atlanta. You want it all, and I ain't even mad at you. Yeah. Pause for the flick, glass half full, baby, can I take a sip? Got them all mad when you looking like this. Told them don't trip. You're all I wanna see. The star of my show. My baby's so HD. Can't take my eyes off. I never wanna be on your bad side. Face it, girl, you ain't got a bad side. Got them all beat by landslide. Your pics all over my timeline, and they don't lie, so stop. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah, yeah. Hold up, freeze. Stay right up. Let me get you in focus. Yeah, yeah. All I see is you and me. Slow it down and let it breathe. Hold up, stop. Hold up. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus.
Always know that. Hey. You good to roll? Here we go. Hey. Yeah. I'ma keep it real with you. Yeah. I'ma keep it real. I told my baby you're the only one I trust. I told my shawty you ain't gotta make a fuss. Hey. When I was down, out of luck, and you stuck. It was us in a rut. Woke up, I hit a chick for you. Baby, give me life, you know I live for you. Ride or die, kill for you. Let them talk slick, I'ma have to split a wig for you. Why you grab my chain, got me feeling like Jim's on you. You know I'm here for you. Baby, if you ever try to leave, I'ma beg, I'ma plead, I'ma have to hit my knees. Girl, you got me shedding tears for you. Whisper in your ear, let me make it real clear. You gon' always know that keep it real with you. Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah. I touch your baby, you're the only one I need. But the gang gotta fly you overseas. It's on me, you know that it's a breeze. A little Caesar, cause you keep it hot and ready. You been working now, I see you staying healthy. Know I'm from the A, so I gotta grip it like the grain on a Chevy, baby. I'ma keep it real with you. I'ma keep it real with you. I'ma keep it straight 100 for you. How you mind sending my number one? You the grand prize I'm gunning for, yeah. I'ma keep it real with you. Didn't know angels exist. Heaven opens when we kiss. Let me make it real clear for you, baby. I'ma keep it real with you. I'ma keep it real with you. Ay, you know that I'ma keep it real with you. Ay, you gotta give it 100 though. Ay, know that I'ma keep it real with you.
All we do is drive around aimlessly, trying to forget who we wanna be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me. Head up in the stars, driving fast cars, feeling like we're outlaws with our deep scars and our fast cars. I'm sorry that we're not who you want us to be. I'm sorry that we never got a degree. I'm sorry that I'm always feeling me and not you. I'm sorry that I'm all up in my own head. I'm sorry that we never go to bed. I'm sorry that we're driving a little too fast, but wouldn't you? All we do is cruise around, trying to find another town to burn to the ground, trying to find a street that we haven't seen, looking for some kind of meaning in the little things that the night brings. We never really gotta be ourselves, so now we're trying to find more ways to rebel. With a foot on the pedal, eyes to the sky, we're gonna fuck it up tonight. I'm sorry that you're not who you want us to be. I'm sorry that we never got a degree. I'm sorry that I'm always feeling me and not you. I'm sorry that I'm all up in my own head. I'm sorry that we never go to bed. I'm sorry that we're driving a little too fast, but wouldn't you? Cause it's midnight and the lights are bright. We're searching for a little fun tonight. It's midnight and the lights are bright.